Okay, so you know what say na yesa mo akwa babiem emra GH report so ewusia ene Lumba NSEMSEM na yeguso a yedi nkomo na sese no akwakoba se ewo se ye Maame Akosua Serwaa reporter eba se openi ye di a wonhwe na onkope NDC lawyer emfanka lawyer Kusi ho odwene ho sei ewusia odwene ho sei enkrofo se ensem yekoso nyina no ewo se his excellency wode na no tum na afi oboa eba chief justice etimi boama atentene etimi eye adwuma ensa se nkrofo se ensa ekura ensensem ni mu no ensa ni mu odu ensa ni so ye hunsa pro enti ene obi de idea na ba se ebeye a omompe NDC lawyer bi na mani akosi lawyer bi so na mempese mebo ne din na maame ni cheche mu no o cheche mu a se emre bi president Kufo time no sa lawyer no ye de ne koto afiase o ko prison esa bai te ne wahu ne di a ene yem se menso mehu no se wo hu no de a menso mehu no na ye ba beti emu nsem no na wuti ensem maame na eka wo chemu se sisi ase this political affiliation no ya doso isa se ensem ne hyase no na ye resi edu nkete din ene namu ensem ne hyase no despite ene namu ensem ne hyase no some big men bi ene namu a chese ehwe baba jama ne law firm omomoto akire lawyers akunyi na omoto akire nyina akoyese political affiliation bi de ewom enti obi na de sa type of na ba se omopeniye legal wives ne epeniye dia they should go forward na omunkofa one NDC bi a we ranking member na ono ne mu edu na osa ye lawyer obamu a asem betwa tiawa edi ama omo enti se no krofo call say his excellency omramu na ne yere lordina mahama so emramu no mu se chese yenya NDC lawyer bia ne mu odu na wakan nsem bi efa ho yenko ni nkotimra
Tancho madam asene majuma mudi ene masewa ohudo a yatin mu a besi ne emu odende but say ade bia no esei wie na okase wo beye ni ye a na ye no ye dey edin ena yen Ghana for no eduru me bia ye ni wotwen akoma ade a ekoba na me maami arewo ne ya wa ye nyina na mu nyina ye papa no ade a papa na ye no sebio ye ba wiase mema bebre ye beto no de oko over the bar truth might be told
kanina why
ade a ya papa
na ye pene yempe kanina
oh yeah queen me ni atem ade a ya papa na ye no ebi nsida sebio ye wadrom po a enka uti fie kura nka ye ne asandefo kura de no mat de tie bia lanka wo fa se ba ku bi ebebe ho asantini bie ni wa owo sika ana woti ni fie ne wo fa se ba ku mpo entene nchen
mama me palcho woni de yo no odaroma enuro no
this ena make ba say enuro no wane ma ne ho kwan ada na woni wo ba akọwo enka pefie foforo na fa gen ni kwotenem na de gen no kwotena efie esenka woni wiyiri tim enti ade no ye papa no aseye wie enti ye kase ye ni ye a yesremu muma ya bembu ye nya abotre because ade na aseye wie ena ye fight ena yesi ye mfa ntokwa ne yi no yesre satam no media me brothers me lawyers me no madi nkomo fa ye omo se tam na nka ye maame emfa asem ne court no emfa koma aban no sa blenes enkode mlashe ne nsem ene abusuafo no ene ni nua ba no ena na esen komo ye action but wanye na wo de kwasha aban nsem wie a untimi nkoye action bia sa ukoye action bia de a wasem no ye bebo atoagu ala na num tokwako na wo de bra aban se aban enka bi maw eti ba bia ye maame ne dia kodro ne die ontimi family bia anye dai enhye ne nsem ena mbuza se bra ye nye dai o si na de ne lawyer Kusi is a good lawyer lawyer in Ghana. We practice 20 good years. Lawyer Kusi ni asem munye de man onimuno pa beta dia no akodane politica. Dia lawyer Kusi ni pa beye bia na papa ne yede. Eye no na omo dimle beble ne pana ye. Eno ma pana ya na omanya. So ye be ma na akofa hiani ede ne betena ufie na omo chese eni ble no ebe start ho. Eti kwan omo fa so bo pono enye ne. Toma bo pono che. Eti wontimi mfa 3 months 6 months ensane ema ni nyeye eye nkakra. Bet ade o ka kire me ane se Ghana no se die duro no se ye pe maame no na ye be support wa I do me I'll do you yempe NDC lawyer bia emu odin ye ka NDC lawyer bi wo Ghana omo law firm no ba bi asem ni se bi o meyi apie die duro no yempe lawyer foforo nka lawyer Kusi ho ni onyi asem ni pia bonten eye som de asem ba kwosha ase me ka ezo mote ase betu konya lawyer onu se be yi asem na pie eti asem e bi de 1 year no lawyer ni be yi apie eti no bi wo ho ani case bi wo yetimi yesi atwam na obi aba no wawurawuram no akoyi case na pie na ye papa ne te ase no na odene dan ni bi renti mo enema bu amoma yenya abotre ma ye Maame Akosua abrochi ankrampo do dan mo obi na wontwa dan ka untimi nkofie nkotu ne saa o kroma chode ne kokot obu kroma timi na wo dan to UK 2 years na wontwa dan ka untimi so nkotu no tra court ena ma ho kwan emi ekotu no na ndise ye krom Ghana enti dia niam ekono dia dro no mama yen kantam na ye say dia dro no I do me I do you say adane political asem yedi fani anim say asem na ya asem ayetla asem obi anam so obi adibi be dia dro ye hu say ensa bi tisemu dia yesem pe lawyer se biolo Kusi wo ye bi pa wa ye bi pa beto mu wisu bibi e de ma ya papa ne hwe ase na nka de se mla ye die wo Ghana no ekwan na me blast no na papa ne fa so different bi anyway wom obi ehunu Ghana rese asem we na ekoye no emu odin ne emu oya sa we yoba na ye dibidiu yamfa bi aniwa unim se eden betie dibidiu a wo ye lawyer uti ubefie utimi su saa se ade ye green ye se ye blue de lawyer Kusi be ya no ye no be de aduro no yempe NDC lawyer be bi omode ade national nso be yi apie I do me I do you na se ye betena se kwan de ne be kwan amanache omode ade nba kwose tokulum omo na ewuro ntusu po obi onso be wuro dia na ne ebinsa o se lawyers na ebinsa wo bi NDC political lawyer say o se yenye NDC ni lawyer nensa so pa yanko omo law firm no mi bese me boni dewi amoka no be hu no kofo tam ni mpo omo de ni tum kakra se mu be hu no omo de ni tum kofo ma ye de ni tum yenwura saa ne ho no mumula ho ne law firm no ba bi ese bi onso be ye pie enye saa de a ye beka saa ma de a chom de wa kwese be because omu klom agenda from day 1 enti no yenya abotre na ye mompa ye se ma Akosua nyame ema no kwatenten se be ya omu begina na osaka se Ghana mla ni beble no abusua na ani so fight bi wa na nya Maame Akosua fight na ye abusua ne fight efie na ga ni tim na ye abusua na esenketu no etu wo mo because eye amamre na ye mla wo Ghana but eniema bi ho ni nyina ankoba eti yeso ye be fight ya na ye de akodan court o se fe na se ke ye action ni kwa se ke de court action ni plans na court na ba ye oni pa ye twa sika mom koye action kotu obi ti se wonti asa na wo de me court na me se ma be fo awo so but wo de ka de court de a wonti mi koye action enti yesre mama ma ye mpushi se de maame no onim de wo ye no onim pa bet ni atetre ne nsa gu nachi afe na nkakra ensa no ye de ensa ne na ade ne so abusua asaya wie Adeɛ no asɛyɛ wie. Deɛ so mo ye omaye. Deɛ pese ye ni ya, upeni ya wo ble. Eti yesre. Muma ye nya abotre. Na deɛ duro no. Yemfa sika emwa ne enkope lawyer onu so be yie pie. Say I do me I do you. Enye kasa biem they say action. Deɛ duro no action nipa no so word ya. Ghana bisu dida bi achi. Ye wo lawyer se omo so chair ye fe ne se baba jama. Ewo ho omo ye NDC lawyer se omo no omo so boma wo bom obebom. Se ye sa de a mudi ombehu maame ne be fa ne kunim de adi ne fast. Be ye lawyer Kusi de papa ne be ya na me blase wa ye no. Ade lawyer Kusi aye no threat in ehu. Beble utimi dem. Ebu okra wo na ma na ye di wachi. Wono wadi case bi etesa. Munhu sa case sa. Wonna ma na ye di wachi nya akure bekum. Wo hwele Akosua hwele Kusi interview na o fa bi mu the same thing lawyer Kusi na mu. Enye easy. But yes yempe bi nka ho na ba bi ade ne hye no omusu nyimpie enye sa ade a wo ye beka sa ma yenya kompo Ghana for you Ghana dise mu krom yuka emla ye adwuma ena ye
pa be dia fa ho
me pa cho say
let's not come be quickly why me pa cho one thing you are can you na ye true why hello good morning you are can you na ye true but menka one thing why ma be do no ma bedu Ghana no by the time bedu Ghana no na girl no ne onkofo nyina no they have had already put things in place and she could not even at that point say everyone keeps forgetting that because also when mom was trying to take action before she even went to court no and fake daddy Lumba lawyer from Baba and Co Fatino etro letters so memo bianco enye say mo no mo papa bibia show munsa and they pretended that more will and they had the upper hand over daddy Lumba's assets and my advice ne say the only way that we are going to be able to do this, you know, say, yen fire focus no, na yen start action against Baba and Co Fati. Let's start a big action because what I'm intermeddling now, from the beginning now, mama yen dream say, will be and I say more power be giving them power that's basically preventing Maame Akosua Serwaa, who's a rightful wife, you know, and the sister, Maame no do that Lumba idea, no. It prevents them from taking any action, no. No, that big lie, no, you know, at the beginning, no. And a ma obi adwin say, hey, maybe something the paperwork if you go, maybe something will ho, and we don't have the power, and that legal letter now, you know. Has allowed intermeddling of Daddy Lumba's properties, money, estate, everything. And the only thing I would say in this said, what I don't agree is that when Maame Akosua Serwaa joined, no, she could have, because when Maame Akosua Serwaa got there, no, there was lawyers and security, there were people there already surrounding the place, making it difficult for Maame Akosua Serwaa or Maame to take certain action. So because they have the lawyers were the one who used fear and pretended they had some authority to do what they're doing. No, I think it is now putting the pressure on them to explain to us where those powers came from. Where in law did they had the power to write that letter and to prevent people from securing the properties that they're supposed to secure the properties? Because you're talking about nearly 1 year of potential intermeddling of the Lumba's estate. People moving cars to where they want to move cars to. People touching, moving funeral funds as what they want to do with it. People moving money and paperwork from the Lumba's properties. Okay. Even, I feel like Ghanaians don't understand the extent of what has happened. The extent of the crime, the extent of the civil issue. And those issues occurred at the beginning of September, October, we're talking about all the nonsense. And we're allowing, let Baba and Co tell us, This person is the one you should be taking action against. But we should take action against Fatty, and then let Fatty tell us who the client is, and let's go after the client and Fatty and the law firm. But instead, let's not play the games they want us to play. They keep bringing stupid storyline. Fake paperwork from company house. The business name the company move you to company it doesn't exist. Different documents be so a conversations it's the same as a case next start when the civil the court case this man was a court case start a desertion no way or nothing that has any substance in law discussions being a bit snap for 10 years or your common law partner into that means into common law partner today or your wife. I want the foolish discussion now you argue say you are wrong, you are lying, but they said no, we're not no more I want move or focus now to the wrong place. Let's bring it back. Junior, if you want to play this, you have to go to your room. Go to your room, please. No, let's bring it right back. Right back to the basic. Our hands were tied. When Akosua Serwaa was walking into, she had all the power. Even on him, wherever that man, the man over UTV, before they started to pay him to stop telling the truth, no. A video can say the woman, no, Akosua Serwaa has so much power, and she could scatter everything. He make that comment, but the way the woman is calm and nice, before they started to lie to him or pay him money, no, he made that comment. They used the power that Akosua Serwaa and Maame Akosua had, and they took it by using fake narrative and rules. Said that they had some document from DL, and that they had the power over that Lumba's estate, and they're the one that are going to determine who gets what, and they're going to do A, B, and C. Let's not wait until Akosua Serwaa gets the outcome to start taking legal actions about intermeddling and forcing them to vomit every single thing. And whoever is in the property, no, they should. We want to see the rent they're paying every month that rent should be going into a private account. If Odo Bronii believes she needs the money for the kids now, she has to make a request for that money, and she has to account for that money. We're playing too much Mr. Nice, having games. We're no longer going to let them drag us into the direction they want us to drag. We are going to be in the driving ahead. We are going to move them. So let's start now. We need to start getting the money now, because we're going for a big legal action against Baba and Co and that Fatty. Because I'm telling you now, she is the one she has to provide the evidence she has that gave her the power to make those fabricated letters. Now they're saying they're making a comment is that we write what our client tell us to write. No, you don't. You're not supposed to. You're supposed to do what you do your due diligence. Due diligence. You knew there was another wife. So why are you taking stupid instructions from them? Are you not aware that you are going to be professionally liable as well? So let's stop playing those fake games. Now they create a will trust. They're so stupid. A will trust is within a will. If there is no will, there cannot be a will trust. You dumbass. You create a will trust when you create a will. And in the will, you can create a trust inside the will. That's what a will trust is. You're having these uneducated, never been to school people come and speak to you and say, hey, they say, okay, there's no will in the High Court, but there's a will trust, and the will trust does not have to go to the High Court. No one didn't trust them. I say, hey, there must be will say a will trust be or her. There is no such fucking thing as a separate will trust. You have a will, and within the will, you can create a trust instrument. That is a normal thing that happens in wills. So let us, under no circumstances should we be sitting there and should we be going round and circle into there. We need to start our own lane, and let's not talk. Let's put the money where our mouth is. Let's get the lawyers. Let's get the advice. Let's get the power of attorney it from Maame Akosua Serwaa and my problem for Ma. Let them make my problem pan and near deal into my brain for Ma. If we speak to her and convince her, she will do. Because what they have taken that woman through, no, they need to see fire. What they have put her through, they need to also go into the fire and get burned. That girl thinks she's smarter than everybody. That girl won't finish school, won't finish school. And she's using conniving and victimhood to win over people. So the people, oh, me was 6 kids, and they're committing crime. Ebenezer committing a crime. ABUSUAPANIN is being used to commit crime. ABUSUAPANIN has no right on any estate. Not one single legal right. Nothing. The only time, right, the law is very clear. No customs, no tradition can override the law. And when it comes to the law on the state, deceased estates, because of what people used to do previously, JJ Rollins has made that law strong and firm. So ABUSUAPANIN has no power to touch the estates. Ghana for munti mumbe ma dream muna munti se law ni wo ho ebe protect munyina. ABUSUAPANIN and family members, they don't have the extended family members, they don't have any power over your deceased estate. Claim you don't ever allow family member to come. No more bully, no more pimpia. The rightful owners of free, no more jiji jomo pay. Can't Ebenezer Kofana and I know you're the no audio be at tem no abegina ho no or come Akosua Serwaa sem no can't na near brain no the one born in life and then one say cannot Akosua Serwaa still cannot person or J. No, young country man who say Team Legal Wife, no, we're not just about stupid kasa. You have to we have to show these men. We're not gonna play internet games with you anymore. You guys have committed so much crimes. If you came and all you did was bury that Lumba NSEMSEM, that's fine. But you haven't. Even if you know, who did they do accounts to? Who did they do accounts to? And we're bothered to let these uneducated people no more about more life, no more dincho kakra, no more call, almost say the marriage certificate is fake. And I want to Ponko Germany more. Or may I say, no, you do what you do, you follow them. We're not following our own path. And we're not working our own path and staying firm on that path. We have to stay on our path and stay firm. All of them are criminals. All of them are almost a criminal. It's almost a criminal. Almost a criminal. Even the judgment now by the crumple does not give that girl the ability to go and hide 6 cars and leave that woman to come to Ghana and have no cars. She hasn't got that power. Nothing. Her kids are not 18. She hasn't got no power over. She cannot get LA. She will not be granted LA on her own. Never. So what I want to make very clear to you is that if yes or snake now or till now or drain say Ghana for Jiminti or Bia will lose credibility or Bia she's only known for being a bully. Obi otimi show me by my name 60-something-year-old no what kind of ne body asem. That is the people that we want to value or look at. Also, what makes me disgusted is where free and if yes, it's like I think they have IDP in the palm of their hands, so they will be arresting people like legal wife like me. I'll come to Ghana. When I come, I'll also announce it. So I want them to arrest someone like me because I know I've done nothing wrong. Because I have openly said that my distaste about them, so that I can show them say it's good to be Joe. It's good to be Joe because you don't just touch someone's this year. Because if Ghana doesn't respect me or doesn't care about people like me as Ghanaians, no person or big to say if you're just going to did president attempt or Timmy did attempt the personal life and you now basking in attempt or nobody me have more power over the government now. Nobody me arresting me and as somebody can mean to me in background and be ma. I really want them to do that. Because it will expose them. It will expose who we actually have. Because Frida is the person that we should have her not able to ever come to Ghana again. The woman, they had committed so many offenses. No, I play for a dotted audios. No, I merging together. No, I play. No, I far away. No, I didn't trust you. No, I call you B. Hey, I'm what dear. Until you're not almost pokey and then you can be beer. Now, I'm put my cassette. Ye ninkofo into Ghana. Me pacho. Munjanyo masa. Na munye dembe. Mo do what I'm not telling you what tembi. If Ghana wants us to stop now, they must stop the people who are poking us. But at the same time, no, we have different factions. We have those who know how to diss, and those who know how to act. We need to act. We're not gonna people that think we're just loud mouth on internet. They think we're with no substance. And actually, they don't understand we're a movement with determination. We don't sleep. There's nothing you're going to tell us that's going to change the movement from growing. This is not an issue that we're all gossiping. This is personal. This is personal. You out of your... And so we have to show them. You've bitten more than you can freaking chew. What is this? How do you think if we allow them to do this, we allow these idiots to think they can do what they've done, that one day your assets, your stuff in Ghana will be safe? The mere fact that I went to Kwine, I caught baby no, Ghanaians now wanting to Kwine, some of them don't like us. They don't want anything good for us. And if you don't scare them, and you can't mess with us like that now, then I'm telling you, it won't be just poison you have to be scared of. It's your assets you have to be scared of. Everything they will take, not just poison you, they will even while your life, no, they will take your stuff. I'm sorry. I wake up every morning and that's why I think we're just talking too much. I want us to start taking action. I've been telling you guys, I even did the PowerPoint presentation to show you what we need to do. We need to start taking real action. Appoint a proper lawyer. Let's ask them for advice. And let's start issuing first of all, we will write a letter to them and they will have to answer those letters. Then we start taking action. Someone is saying we should not incite violence. What violence have I incited, you idiot? What violence have I incited? I'm saying let's take legal action. You say
Enti ensem no na onya bia wutie ye no ene an wo kan nyina na ebo ye ni e kire no so still maami se obekire mu. Enipa ni enti ani bo. Enti eno so eno no minim. Lawyer no e hwan Chachu chikata oye NDC na oye NPP ni. Ana nyesa na me hu no. Chachu chikata ana se NDC. I'm so no. Ana chewadwene lawyer kro no so hu na do adwenche no ato comment section wo amame makram.